Hi, my name's Rob and I'm the CEO of When in Rome. When in Rome is one of the UK's leading alt-format wine brands. Now we are on a mission to reduce the carbon footprint of the wine industry whilst providing you, the wine lover, with the kinds of high-quality wines enjoyed by Italians all over Italy. That's why we're called When in Rome. When in Rome was founded in 2015 by me, Rob Malin, based here in the beautiful Cotswolds, and my business partners in Italy, Andrea Marchesi and Lorenzo Canali.
Ciao, my name is Andrea. I am co-founder of When in Rome.
Hello, I'm Lorenzo. I'm co-founder of When in Rome.
39% of the wine industry's carbon emissions globally stem from our obsession with heavy, single-use glass bottles. Now, you may have heard of fintech. But When in Rome, we prefer to talk about vintech. Now, vintech includes smart packaging solutions designed to make wine drinking as sustainable as it is enjoyable. In recent years, great new packaging technology solutions have emerged. Formats such as bag-in-box, cans, and most recently, recycled paper bottles. In 2016, we began trading from this very stall on Bath Farmers Market. Then, in 2017, Waitrose got in touch with us. They could see what was happening in the box wine space. They liked our wines and they liked our brand. And at that point, it was time to move on from the farmers market. In 2020, our revenue almost doubled. Our sales surged at Waitrose, on Ocado, and on Amazon. And we launched a new wine brand with Phillip Schofield. In the first 3 quarters of 2021, we have doubled our sales over the same period in 2020, and we still have quarter 4 to come. But none of this would have been possible without our winemakers. We work with family and cooperatively owned producers across Italy who make wine so good they rarely leave the country. Our range includes
Falanghina,
Nero di Troia,
Refosco dal Peduncolo Rosso,
Montepulciano d'Abruzzo DOC,
Merlot, Nero d'Avola.
But as a business, When in Rome is just getting started, and here's why. The UK wine market is worth around £10 billion per year, but is mature and barely growing. However, the UK bag-in-box market is worth around £500 million annually and is growing quickly, with the market increasing 40% during 2020. There are now around 4 million box wine buyers in the UK, but we've still got a long way to go to catch up with other major wine markets. For example, in the USA, 36% of wine by volume is sold in bag-in-box. In France, that figure is 38%, and in Sweden, it's well over 50%. We also know that 62% of millennial shoppers in the UK want to buy from sustainable brands, and the majority of those are willing to pay more to ensure the brands are sustainable. We want to build on the momentum behind our brand and the alt-format wine market by investing your money in new product development, in upscaling our marketing, in growing our distribution, and in hiring new key people to make sure all of this happens. Alongside your investment, we have a whole range of rewards available on the When in Rome CrowdCube page, in addition to the most exciting one of all, becoming part of the When in Rome family.
When in Rome, do as Romans do.